Hi, welcome to mathematics. Today we shall be looking at laws of indices. There are actually different laws of indices. Before you move on to solving any question, it is important that you understand what you are doing. We have laws and then we have indices. We have laws, that's one, and then we have indices, that's two. Prior to now, you already know what laws are. They are rules, they are regulations that need to be followed. We can say laws are rules or regulations that needs to be followed or that must be followed, right? They are rules and regulations that must be followed to achieve success. Okay, so I can put it that way, that laws are rules and regulations that needs to be followed to achieve success. It therefore means that if there are laws or rules and regulations and they are not followed, success will not be achieved. Now let us come to the second. If this is the first, then we can refer to this as the second, indices. What are indices? Well, the word indices is actually the plural of index. And in maths, an index is a number, either a positive or a negative number with a power. For example, if you have something like this, 2, let me call this example 1, still on index, 2 raised to the power of 5. This is an index. This is the whole number, and this is the power. So together, we refer to it as index. We can give you another example, 3 raised to the power of 6. This is the whole number, and this is the power. Another example I can give to you is 5 raised to the power of 7. This is the whole number, and this is the power. So when you have different index coming together, it forms what we can refer to as indices. For example, if you have 2 raised to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3, this can be referred to as indices. Why? The reason is because you have more than one index at a time. So if you have just one index, you cannot refer to that as indices. But if you have more than one index coming together, then you can refer to that as indices. So for all indexes or indices, there is something we refer to as laws guiding their operations. And that is basically what we shall be looking at in the course of this explanation. So follow along as I shall be showing you step by step, and we shall also solve multiple questions on laws of indices for your understanding.